So let us have a look at the crypto market trend and what is responsible for the current downtrend that we are seeing in the market. Okay, so first and foremost, the miners has been selling. Don't forget that if you've been paying attention to news analysis, you discover that the German government they sold some thousands, thousands and thousands of Bitcoin recently. Okay, so apparently there have been a lot of sell pressure on BTC lately. Okay, there have been a lot of sell pressure on Bitcoin lately. So if you look at this, we have this. Okay, can adjust it like this. Okay, and two things will likely happen from here. Either we have an outright breakdown from here, or let's see if this level will be rejected. Okay, every time every time it tests the trend line, Bitcoin looks weak enough. So for a while it tested 73,000, later on it tested 72,000, later it tested 71,000. You can see. So that's it's been showing a sign of weakness recently. But now can we say because we have these pivots, okay, you have these pivots, does it mean that Bitcoin is going to crash from this point? Okay, technically speaking, we have every reason to open short on Bitcoin from here. Yeah. So you can have a layered short. Probably you have your first short position right here. Then you have the next one around 70,000, just in case. Exactly now. So it is possible that you short this market. However, we have to be conscious. Okay? You have to be conscious because you have to look at this candle. Now, in the case whereby the market closes today as there is an exhaustion candle here. Okay, this is like a cross. Okay, if we have an exhaustion candle here, okay, just like we have around this level, there is a possibility that what we're expecting, okay, even though we have a candle close below this trend line, okay, don't forget that that candle close happens to be a small candle close. Okay, something like an hammer. Okay, at the bottom of this downtrend I'm saying here, this is a downtrend all the way from 72,000, 71,000 down to 65,000, 64,000, even up to 64,000 level. Can you see that now? So if you look at this closely, we do not have, we do not have a high quality setup, okay, that will give us, we don't have a high quality confirmation here, okay, that will tell us, oh, I think it's about time to start shorting Bitcoin. Like I always say that when it's time to start shorting Bitcoin, I should definitely have an idea, okay, and if you are sound technically, you should also have an idea. Anyways, for those of you who are not sound technically, there is something I have for you guys. So you could take this course if you are not sound technically. This is seller.code/trade2earn course. Okay. That is where you have access to training, like a highly detailed training on analysis, fundamental, sentimental, technical, it's all here. So you could pay in dollars if you're watching from USA, you're watching from France, you could pay with whatever currency. Just click on buy now, it will be converted to this currency, to my local currency. Okay. So if you are paying with dollars, you are actually paying with maybe less than $40, thereabouts. Right. So now going back to this, you can see either we have a breakdown, okay, which is what most people actually favor right now. Oh, there's going to be a breakdown on Bitcoin. Is that right? But we don't have, fundamentally, there is still a lot of more upward movement for Bitcoin fundamentally. Okay, why did I say that? MSTR is buying 1 hour ago. Okay, they bought and they made it public that they are buying Bitcoin. Okay, they are stacking up on Bitcoins. Right. So why we are having this downtrend, part of the reason is because people have to take profits. Okay, those that bought at a decent level, they have to take some profit from the market. Exactly, you know, they have to take profit from the market. Do you get it now? That is number one. Number two, okay, number two, we had miners who have been selling, okay, the miner itself has dropped, okay, they've been selling, they're going a lot of sell period from them, and it looks like the reserve has actually dropped significantly. Look at that since May, June, they've been selling right there. So it means that we can begin to expect some bounces from the market. Okay. So gonna days of over leveraging and holding on to too much Bitcoin has already that backfired in the past. So miners are being careful now. Everybody's being careful, really. Okay. So whatever they're able to mine, they were selling. Okay, they were throwing whatever they're able to mine, they were throwing that at the markets. Okay. But it looks like that sell pressure is winning off right now. It's getting reduced. Okay. So focus to be on short-term financial stability rather than long-term, okay, large scale acquisition of Bitcoin. So now what they will be doing in a bear market, it might not actually be profitable for them to sell in bear market. So what they do is whatever amount of Bitcoin they're able to mine, even some of these guys they take loan from the banks. Okay, they kind of accumulate it. Once you have the bull market, they begin to sell. And if they are mining, whatever they're actually getting in a bull market, they also sell because they don't want to be caught unaware. You get it now? That's one of the things that has been increasing the sell pressure on Bitcoin lately. Okay. And couple the fact that the retail traders are now beginning to think like, you know, the people are beginning to have more knowledge. People are learning, they are taking courses, they are taking mentorship, people are learning in India, in Nigeria, in USA, in Canada, in different parts of the world. People are becoming more aware about the market. Okay. So they're now understanding the market dynamics even better. Okay. So even the retail traders now, they are now sophisticated when it comes to trade and investing. You get it now? So they kind of now understand the games of the institutional players. Okay. So that's one of those things that are actually responsible. So they are actually on the sideline. A lot of videos are on the sideline now. They are waiting for what's gonna happen. Okay. So and also don't forget that the Fed Reserve, where is the game? Look at these updates. Okay, the Fed Reserve, might actually lead to a sharp movement. Look at the Bitcoin USD versus Fed liquidity. You can see that. Okay, so when Feds are kind of low on liquidity, okay, we have a pump. You get it now. We have a pump. So any moment from now, there could be an upward movement on Bitcoin. Okay, and don't forget that today they had a news unemployment claims in the US. It was negative. Yeah. Okay, it was negative, and that is why we have a couple of pumps in the market. So a couple of altcoins really surged today because of that news update. So okay, except there is a confirmation, okay, we are not going to be shorting Bitcoin at the moment. Even though I have a short from 70K, I have a short from 70,900, okay, it is not it's just a kind of short-term price action I'm taking advantage of. Is that what you know? But overall, like majorly, I am not still bearish on Bitcoin yet. Okay, so this candle is going to be an important candle that we may want to watch out for today. This okay, if we should close as an exhaustion, that is bears are exhausted, then I have to wait a little bit longer. Okay, before I'm going to say, okay, market is now bearish. You get it now. So we have to wait. Okay, I'm still pretty much majorly okay. I'm still pretty much bullish on Bitcoin because I believe that the Bitcoin pump is not done yet. Okay, anywhere from now, probably July, August, there could be a breakout from here, then boom, it begins to pump up to like $85,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, so I still have my spot holdings. I'm here to sell. I have my spot holdings. I'm here to sell because I do not see any trigger yet, any obvious trigger. Okay, when you have an obvious trigger, it will be so powerful that you cannot even ignore it as an analyst. Exactly as you know. So majorly, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Maybe like minor, yeah, bearish because I still open short on Bitcoin. You know this. All right. So That's like a quick update on Bitcoin and also in the crypto market in general. Okay, and if this should close as an exhaustion, this might not be a bad area to start buying, to start bidding for Bitcoin. If you go to market cap right now, you can see we have the fear and greed index at the neutral level. You can see. So once you see a fear and greed index on neutral level, it's about time to start looking for a buy opportunity in the market. Okay, it's about time to start looking for a buy opportunity in the market. Anything below 50, 48, yeah, buy. That is it. You begin to buy, you begin to scale in gradually when you have some stable coins. You can start buying from here. You can see that. So this will present a rare opportunity for you. Okay. My average entry on BNB is 150 as I'm still here to sell. Okay, because I believe that this guy is going to have some movement, from now, from this point. So that is it. If you have any coin you want to analyze for you, don't forget to let me know. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay, and also make sure you turn on your notification bell. Share with your friends, okay. Share with your friends and then let them know about this analysis. Watch this and let me know what you understand by this analysis. All right. Are you still bearish in the market? Are you bullish yet, or do you have a neutral stand about the market at the moment? Okay. Use the comment box and let me know. All right. So yeah, that's it on the Bitcoin analysis and also the market analysis generally. The reason why I actually do a lot of analysis on Bitcoin is because Bitcoin happens to be a driver. It happens to be a leading indicator for the global cryptocurrency markets. All right. So if you understand the Bitcoin direction, it makes it easy for you to understand the direction of altcoins that most especially move, in similar direction with Bitcoin. All right. So I hope this has actually had some value to you. Don't forget if you want to learn analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and join to Trade2Earn Bootcamp. Okay, it's a 3 weeks course that exposes you to trading the financial market. Then you have access to 6 month mentorship and support. Okay, so there are a lot of testimonies about people who have actually taken this course, taken this mentorship, and they are doing pretty well for themselves today. Okay, lots of them. All right. So that guys, see you guys in the subsequent video. Bye and have a great day.